Do this one thing at night, and wake up feeling lighter in the morning. Okay, not magic, but clean eating Indian style can actually transform your skin and energy when done right. Today, I'm sharing 5 delicious hacks for clear skin and weight loss. And trust me, they're easy, tasty, and won't make you feel like you're starving yourself on sad salads. Quick note before we start. This isn't about extreme dieting or overnight miracles. Clean eating is about supporting your health and glow, not punishing your body. What worked for me may work differently for you, but these hacks are safe, realistic, and 100% desi-friendly. Dal is a staple in every Indian home. But sometimes our tadka is more oil than dal, right? Instead, try this. Cook your dal with turmeric, cumin, and ginger. Then finish with a light tempering using just 1 teaspoon of ghee instead of 3 spoons of oil. Turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation, which can calm acne and support digestion. Lentils are full of protein and fiber. They keep you full longer so you don't keep running to the snack drawer. Look, I'm not here to cancel rice. Our ancestors lived on it. But here's the tweak. At lunch, go for hand-pounded rice, brown rice, or even millet instead of white. Keep white rice for dinner small, like half a katori. Switching to whole grains keeps your blood sugar stable, meaning fewer random cravings and less bloating. Stable sugar equals fewer breakouts too. Personally, once I cut down late-night white rice, my energy in the mornings was so much better. Instead of heavy masalas that are more oil plus salt than spice, try these simple swaps. Add ajwain to parathas. It helps digestion, so you don't feel heavy. End meals with samph, fennel seeds. It reduces bloating and freshens breath. Start your day with haldi plus black pepper water or haldi plus half a lemon in hot water. Anti-inflammatory and supports clear skin. Most Indian spices are basically natural medicine. They boost metabolism, reduce gut issues, and a healthy gut shows up as glowing skin. I know, we all love late-night Maggie runs, but your skin doesn't. Try to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Drink most of your water between meals, not during. You'll digest better. Eating late means your body is busy digesting instead of repairing skin and balancing hormones at night. I used to eat heavy dinners at 11 p.m. Next morning, puffy face, breakouts, the works. Once I shifted dinner earlier, my sleep and skin improved big time. Instead of chips and biscuits, try roasted chana with masala, a small bowl of fruit chaat, coconut water instead of cola. These satisfy your cravings but also hydrate you, give fiber, and don't overload your body with sugar and preservatives. Personally, my 4 p.m. biscuit plus chai habit was wrecking my skin. Swapping biscuits for chana made me feel less sluggish and my skin looked less oily. So there you go. 5 clean eating hacks, Indian style, for clear skin and steady weight loss. None of these are extreme. None are about starving. They're about eating the food you already love in a way that actually supports your skin and health. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more glow-up tips that actually work. And hey, drop your favorite Indian clean eating hack in the comments, because I'm always looking to steal. I mean, learn new ideas, stay glowing, stay healthy. And remember, your plate can be your skincare routine.